Hi, my name is Stephanie, and I had the honor of attending Pleasure Alchemy facilitated by Leah, Shiloh, and Tony at the Esalen Institute. And so much to share. What a beautiful experience. I'll start from the very beginning. I was in the office when Shiloh, Tony, and Leah walked in, and the energy was palpable. I started getting these kind of chills all over my body that were coming in waves, and I didn't quite know what I was experiencing or why I was experiencing it, but the more I surrendered to it, the more kind of joy I found in what I was feeling. And when I explored it with curiosity, I realized, wow, it's the synergy, like the synergistic, just chemistry between these people that was rooted in love and radical love and understanding and connection. And I could tell that these people spent time and energy cultivating friendship, cultivating camaraderie, cultivating humanhood with one another. And that inspired me so much. I've sat through many workshops and have experienced many facilitations, but nothing like Pleasure Alchemy. It was so special. I mean, one thing is to teach and facilitate, and another thing is to embody the work in a way that is felt on a cellular level. When you embody the work that you do, you don't even have to teach. It comes out of you. It is a mirror to others. It inspires others. It moves others to meet you at that frequency. And that's what I felt throughout the entire workshop, to just experience the transformations of people there on an energetic level, maybe without even having to talk to them, but experiencing the openness that folks allowed themselves to experience, the cracking open, the unearthing, the excavation of those inner pleasures and inner desires, and really being able to tap into that part of ourselves that makes us all connected to one another. I really feel honored to have experienced them and their, beautiful love child that is this workshop. It has changed me. It has put me in a beautiful space of introspection where I've been exploring the ways in which I honor myself every day, and an integrity with myself and my commitment to myself. I think they're beautiful reminders. Leah, Shiloh, and Tony are beautiful reminders of what we are capable of when we lead with our hearts, what we are capable of when we see the divine in each one of us, ourselves and others. They're mirrors of what is possible in the world if we really tune into what is important and what we desire, and making our experience here as full and fruitful as possible. I believe that quality and humanity is really what shifts, shakes, and moves us into higher states of consciousness, into more elevated states of communion with one another. And in this microcosm, Shiloh, Leah, and Tony are changing the freaking world. And to have been a part of that for a couple days was absolutely magical. I'm so grateful for the work that you do. I'm so grateful for the light that y'all share with the world. I'm so honored to have found friendship in the three of you. And my only wish is that everything in life continues to align beautifully so that you continue to do your soul's work, because I can feel, it is palpable that this is your soul's work. When you do what you love, it doesn't feel like work. And I could feel at the end of every session of the workshop that y'all could go on and on and on until dawn. And that's when you know it's not work. So thank you for honoring yourselves so deeply that you have followed your soul's path and that you've chosen to share it with us. Thank you so much. I love y'all.